how to pay with Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can pay with Remitly. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to pay with Remitly, it's a fairly simple process. What we do is we go ahead and then launch the Remitly app over here. And this is the interface that we will be able to see. And once you've launched this, you'll see this interface. You just tap on the send button or the get started button from the bottom. Once you've done that, what you do is you just wait. You can just continue sending the existing transaction, or you can start over all over again. Select from which to which country you want to send, and then also you have to make sure to enter the amount you wish to send. You can type in a delivery method like your mobile money, bank deposit, debit card, cash pickup, or home delivery. After that, you can also choose a payment method. So tap on it, select debit card, credit card, bank account, whichever else it is that you want to select as a method. Then once you've done that, tap on the continue button and enter the recipient information, their contact address, and so on. And once you confirm all the details, you will be able to pay with Remitly. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.